Hello friends, welcome back to Mia's Spice World. Today we are going to make our family favorite special chicken roast. This semi-gravy chicken recipe is a great combination with ghee rice, chapati or appam. So let's get started and check out this easy and super delicious Kerala chicken roast. For this recipe, I have taken 2 kgs of chicken which I have cut into small pieces. For the masala we need few ingredients, starting with 1 kg of sliced onions, next 1 heaped tablespoon each of pound ginger and garlic, 5 green chilies, 2 chopped medium-sized tomatoes and few curry leaves. Take a big heavy bottom pan or kadai and heat around 6 tablespoons of coconut oil in it. When the oil is hot, keep the flame to a medium level and add the curry leaves. When they start to sizzle, add the chopped onions and slit green chilies. It's best to use coconut oil for this recipe. Saute for a few minutes and then add little salt and turmeric powder. Fry the onions until they turn golden brown. The amount of oil at this stage should be on the higher side, so add a bit more if you feel it's not. Now add the pound ginger and garlic and continue to saute them until the mixture turns fragrant. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and mix well. Cook until the tomatoes turn soft, which takes roughly about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the spice powders. Add 1½ tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1½ tablespoons of coriander powder, 3/4 tablespoon of garam masala and 3/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder and saute well in low flame for a couple of minutes. Add the cleaned chicken pieces along with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and mix them thoroughly until everything is well combined. Also, increase the flame to medium-high. We don't have to add any water. The chicken will let out water as it cooks. Pat the chicken and cover and cook. Cook, stirring frequently until the chicken pieces begin to roast. This will take about 20 to 25 minutes. When the chicken has roasted and most of the water has cooked off, add some curry leaves and mix well. Add salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and keep roasting until the chicken is cooked soft. If in case the chicken is watery, cook on an open flame until the gravy is well coated with chicken and completely dry. Cook for another minute and remove from fire. Finally, garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Our easy and super delicious Kerala chicken roast is ready to be served. Hope you like this recipe. We will be back with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.